We are cheerleaders, Tim.
So we're just going to use the loader and put all the plants in the loader. We've got Oregon grapes, we've got Carl Foster grasses, we've got
Perennial geranium, we've got reblooming daylily, plus a whole carload of great perennials that are hardy for this environment.
And this is what else I'm doing. This is the first time I'm doing it here in the Sierras. You know, I lived here since '84. It's 2023. And with global warming, I've been noticing in town that arborvitae are actually surviving here in Truckee now. It's probably 5 or 6 degrees warmer each morning than it was back when I moved here a couple decades ago, right? So today's going to be the first day that we're going to use arborvitae for a natural 24/7 screening for a patio that I've showed you that we're making over at Atkins. So here's the nursery. Let's get these plants loaded up on the loader. It's going to take a little bit for logistics to happen, but it's planting day, everybody. I'll see you at the job site. Right on.